Okay, so just as a reminder, what I'm doing here is just cataloging each of my trades via video, like my thought process, win and loss rate, everything like that, just so that I really stick to my rules. Before I had all these rules, I wasn't following them, and so even though there's 0 views in the stream, this still helps me stick to my rules a little bit better. So the trade that I took just now is a false break to the long side. It is in the same direction as the daily trend. So sorry, these iron marked levels earlier today. I began recording. Number 3 has to go in the direction of the longer time frame. 1 hour going down, but on the daily, they're trending up. Let's see, like, this is higher than this high, this low. I'm sorry, this low is higher than this low, this high is higher than that high. So still an uptrend. I don't know what the fuck I did to my chart. I don't know why what are all these percentages? I have no idea. Everything's really crazy looking right now. But what I was doing here is doing a false break trade on the 1 hour. So you can kind of see there's I wouldn't say an exactly a price line, but more of a box. I don't know how to draw a box, so I'm just going to draw a line here, but there's a clear kind of point of focus here. See this, so we'll say this candle created this, confirmed it, confirmed, and then broke through. So this is like a very important area. And so I'm trading this false break. So that's this, it's like hitting this price level, coming up, and then coming back down. Or, in our example, we have a support, it's piercing down the support and then coming back up. So this is like a trading against retail that is trading breakouts. It can happen just kind of like where the wick punctures through. We can have a 2 candle false break. This is really nice on our time frames, like daily and 4 hour and 1 hour, especially daily. The complex false break is like multiple candles, but in this case, what we're looking at is most likely a simple false break, meaning that just the wick pierces, and then and then it returns to the upside. So in all my trades, I'm trading at least a 3-to-1 risk ratio. What the fuck is everything on the left side now? And it's like in percentages. There's no prices. I don't know what I did, but this is really crazy, actually. Not sure. So this price is the price on the left I see now. The low here is 23084. So that's where the low can be seen. So the low is 23084. If this does pierce and come back up, then we're using that bottom of the wick as our stop. So our stop is just right at the bottom of this wick. This hour candle, this 1 hour candle, is going to end in 11 minutes, 6:49 p.m. Central Time. So it's under about 11 minutes. And ideally, this candle closes above this line here. That makes it very clear that it's a simple false break. And since our stop is set to this point, our risk ratio is 3-to-1, then our take profit is up here. So if the entry point is at 23250, stop loss is at 23,000. Sorry, I thought I had the wrong thing there. And then this actually, the take profit should be exactly 24,000 because we're entry at 23250. Stop loss is at 23,000, which is a stop loss of 250 points. And so our take profit is going to be 750 points above the entry. So 750 plus 23,250 is 24,000. I'm not sure what I did there to not get the right value, but this is a trade that we're looking for. So I think this worked out nicely. So we're kind of in this little bit of a range here. That's well within the range. You have a daily support down here. So this is like something to look out for if we do continue down through this 1 hour level. But we'll see. So this is my trade. The previous trade I took was a loss, which I recorded here. It was a very light loss because I didn't have the correct sizing. I went too small in the sizing. but that was this trade right here. So came in, like, pierced this level, took the entry. Here's my take profit level, and here's my stop loss, and got about halfway there, but didn't make it, unfortunately. About halfway there. So this ended up being a loss, but followed the rules well. Well, within it was totally possible. It just didn't work out. This one we're hoping to do something kind of similar, but on a much larger scale, since the stop loss is way down here. Can I even adjust these anymore? I was a little overzealous at stop loss, actually. Let's put it a little bit closer to the bottom of this. I'm going to change it to 23,040. Our stop loss is just now 210 plus 50. Nice, much closer. Oh, all right, that is the trade.